Hello, I made the decision to present as my final project the data of my small business that I started in February of this year. Here I have the data of the purchase, the month in which they were made, the cost per unit, the total, the sales data, and the profiles obtained. I want to show the amount sold for each month, the profile, and the investment that had been made in the month to obtain those profiles. And I want to show it by brand of minoxidil. So to do this, I use various Excel functions, data validation, and some if and some if to add more than one criteria, pivot tables, and pivot chart to graphically and easily present the general quantity sold, the profiles obtained, and the investment made each month and for each brand. So I hope that you like my project.